And hello, everyone, and welcome to Learn a Trade. My name is Kevin Tate, and the name of today's presentation is What Learn a Trade, the Learn a Trade website provides. Learn a Trade website provides services, a service manual library, a members training portal, LAT blog, and the LAT shop. And I will be going through these with you today. You can browse our website at www.learnatrade.online. You can learn about starting an appliance repair business with our Appliance Repair Entrepreneurs Business Basics Guide. You'll be able to find that in our shop. So everybody asks, why learn a trade, or why go through Learn a Trade? Well, Learn a Trade, we specialize in training individuals on how to maintain and repair commercial food equipment. Our hands-on approach and experienced instructor will provide you with the skills and knowledge needed to succeed in this industry. The future of commercial kitchen technology, trends, and innovations we'll get into. Technology plays a pivotal role in shaping the future of commercial kitchens as it rapidly evolves. From streamlining operations to enhancing customer experiences, innovative technologies and revolutionizing the way restaurants and food service establishments operate. Learn to service some major brands like Beverage Air, True, APW Wyatt, Bunn, and Nimco, just to name a few, but there's many more. You can order our manuals. You can order our free guides on appliance repair. You can also order our free guide on Hoshizaki ice machine beep patterns, which is one that people commonly look for, so they can be able to decipher the beep patterns. So Learn a Trade provides high quality training guides for individuals seeking to learn a valuable trade. Our hands-on approach ensures that our supporters and members are equipped with the skills and knowledge needed to thrive in the commercial equipment repair industry. We are committed to empowering individuals with the expertise required for success in this field. Check out our service manual library. At Learn a Trade, we understand that the importance of having direct access to service manuals for the commercial equipment you work with. That's why we have created our service manual library, providing service technicians with easy access to a wide range of commercial equipment brands, so you can spend less time searching for manuals and more time on what matters, which is getting the job done. So far on the website, we have over 30 manuals that are available, and I am working on getting more loaded up onto the website in due time. Portal. Our training portal is set up for our members to join and train at their own pace. There are 3 membership levels with valuable perks. We offer free trials, and you choose the content you want to train on. You'll receive direct access to training manuals and training videos before they go public. And you can cancel anytime. Just click the link in the description and you can get started and check it out. We have our blog, our LAT blog. Our blog is filled with helpful information and resources such as employment opportunities, business opportunities, safety tips, industry news, and troubleshooting tips on video. So you can walk through a repair service with the technician. You can visit our shop and order our training manuals or our training guides. You can go to our shop and check out our merchandise. We also have a small section on there that offers equipment sales. And pretty soon we will have a section on there for parts sales. So go to our site, www.learnatrade.online, and check it out. I thank you all for watching. I thank all the channel members. I thank the website members for your support. I appreciate you all. Take care and stay well.